टच्ड इसका I am not riding from the right side. I mean, actually, I'm riding from the left side, but the left side is not the right side. I mean, people over here just take a U-turn and it gets a little crowded. And surprisingly, today nobody is doing it. Okay, so I am on the left side, but the left side is the right side.
अरे बस कर.
You see what I did there?
ऐसा मत करो मेरी जान.
Man, somebody smoking weed looks like. That smell of it just went directly inside my throat. Who does that early in the morning? It's not early morning, but yeah, who does that in the morning? Go ahead, man, go ahead. I'm a good boy.
मैं तो नहीं हूँ इंसानों में.
I mean, some people just appear all of a sudden, huh? Like, poof. I mean, that I did not see that scooty fellow. Are we allowed to go? Okay, so the signal and nothing is working, so I think we can. I mean, I've already passed through.
अबे साले.
Oh, so they are doing chit chat over there. No wonder. The signals are not working, so why should we work?
ये तो धोती खोल रहा है.
Second sudden appearance. I mean, this is the divider. And see, where are we riding? Where are people riding? I mean, they have almost blocked the other way. They do it intentionally because it's. I mean, see that. Whoa. See? I mean, school buses.
हाँ तो
At least तुम लोग तो मत करो यार. See that. Damn, I got. See? People appearing all of a sudden. I have to take a right. Give me some space. He appeared all of a sudden too. क्या हो क्या रहा है भाई? I want to adjust my mirror because I think it's facing a little upwards. Oh, touched. Oh my god. And they are not realizing? Are you serious? I mean, chalta hai. Oh my goodness. He's again doing it, man. That was intentional? Yeah, now he realized. And he was peeping out of the rickshaw. Oopsie, Daisy. What you doing, buddy? You can't just decide to take a U-turn from the middle of the road. Man, if it would have been my car or my bike or something, I would have gotten furious. And that was the moment of the day. He almost changed the lane and then he's showing his hand.
सुनाई दे रहा है मेरा नहीं हुआ.
I know you're there. Now this is going to create some problem for me. I think so. Come on, buddy. This is embarrassing. Because it questions your ability.
क्या गुंडा बनेगा रे तू?
Okay, now you people have to give me some space. Wear your helmet, dude. Oh, my favorite, the Range Rover Evoque. Damn, I really love that car. Out of all the Range Rover models, I love the Evoque. Of course.
इस सज्जन को क्या तकलीफ है भाई?
बहुत मजा आता है।
He just honking for the heck of it. Man, please ignore this battery indicator. This is not getting fixed. I don't know what is the problem. I've just done my major service and I had asked them to check this. And the problem is that this comes on after the vehicle gets heated up like anything. I've started my journey from Andheri and now I'm reaching Borivali. And now it came on. So I understand that the mechanics are also unable to figure out because they have to ride the bike quite some time and then this light comes on. So I understand that it's not that they are not trying.
मैं तो नहीं हूँ इंसानों में.
I don't like to see that, but I can't do anything about it. Yeah, it's good to see that people are wearing riding jackets. See, he is wearing his riding jackets. It's good to see that. It's a rare sight that people wear a riding jacket for their daily commute.
ये देश बदल रहा है.
Good things, and look at that. This is not the place you should do that. Anywho, your bike and your actions. Who am I to judge you? I usually saddle when the roads are bad and when my bum is hurting. Yeah, so maybe his bum is also hurting, but the way he was riding does not look like that his bum was hurting. He was trying to do something else, which we all know. Again, I'm no one to judge.
बड़ा हरामी हो बेटा.
किसका आपका फ्यूल कैप ओपन है. He knows it. First I got scared, like what happened. Yeah, his fuel cap was open, but the fuel lid was off. I mean, it had a fuel lid. The lock of his cap has broken or something. It's alright. With their duty, dude.
मैं तो नहीं.
Man, the way that fellow was telling me, I really got scared. I thought his fuel was leaking. I could not hear properly what he was saying. Then, after multiple repetitions, I understood he was telling me fuel cap. His intentions were good. I respect that. But it got me started for a moment.
बस हवा निकल गई.
Oh, I wanted to change the privacy guard, man. Can I do that? Yeah, let's do it. I'll do it and I'll be back like in a minute. Alright, so it's done and yeah. Ooh, what she is looking, isn't it? Even after 5 years, I just can't get enough of her. Yeah, but she is a lot of heavy. Can't deny the fact. Basically, my screen guard was broken, so I just wanted to replace it. I saw the shop and took the opportunity.
हेलो। अभी आप अपने एकदम ठीक सामने देखिए, आपके सामने एक बड़ा सा रेड बटन है। दबा दिया।